6 minutes from arrival to coffee. She knows how to make me happy. We've set up here under the awning, a bit of shade. What a great time of day. Let's check out how we got here.
Okay, let's go.
It's ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've pulled up camping at a bush spot. We're just gonna actually do a whole run through, keep it going, the whole video of what it takes to set up and have van life off-road camping. So getting started, I wanna level, do you like the spot? Like the spot. Okay, I like it, I've got room. I wanna level it up a little bit for the bed. So I'm gonna ask you to jump in the driver's seat, but don't put it in gear. I'll grab these things out. So some of the things that I like to take camping that I can put in this gearbox is my camping mat. I'm gonna grab this guy out, big mat or little mat. What else? I'm gonna get these chocks out. So we do wanna level this up, and I've got a little mat. So I'll put 2 of these behind the wheels, and we're just gonna get it a little bit level. So I've got it on both sides there. Look at that. Anything you want a step, you want a mat, you want hoses, leads. We're gonna put all this out. And I'm just gonna get Maud here to go and back it up and see how we go. So Maud, I'm just watching here. Can you straighten your wheels just a touch down to the right? Just down to the right a little, yeah. There you go, that looks pretty good. And then, yeah, we'll go in reverse and we're just going really slow. Just 500 mil, half a meter. And go reverse, and there you go, just nice and slow. It'll take just a little bit. There you go, keep going, a little bit more. Keep going, go, 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 yay! Wow! And now can you go sneak forward a little bit there? See what happens? Yeah, one more. There you go, that's it. Well, how is that, right? We backed up and the sand really just sucked up those leveling blocks. So the other one I would do is my MaxTrax. If I wanted to level this up, I would take my MaxTrax and put them under here for sandy camping. It's all part of the steps here. So you can turn it off, thank you. And you can open the door up. Now, I love a camping mat. Do we go a big camping mat or a little camping mat? This one with the dolphins and penguins and pelicans and my little turtles. I'm gonna go this as my blue mat out the front here. Yeah, thank you. And like always, we love a coffee, and we will probably gonna have a little bit of a play inside with a coffee. But my outside camping is really just gonna go like this. We're gonna go pop out the mat, keep it as a clean campsite. I can open up my kitchen. I can look here if I want some water. Are you gonna do it inside or outside? The coffee? But look at that, I've set up, I've got just that, I've got 200 liters of water on board here. Let's put out a little bit of my awning there. Now, I've been out bush camping in this, and real things that happen is that this guy can sometimes get stuck. I've used it. Remember to use the center bar on these awnings. It's just a simple thing. We're gonna try and adjust it up, but this one's been through a few months of camping, and that center bar will actually make sure I look after the strength of my awning, right? We're in here. One thing I like, if I want to turn the lights on for you, I can turn on that first switch. Maud doesn't like lights inside. She doesn't need them on, but she, and you know, a lot of daytime camping, is it bright enough? It's bright enough. We're gonna save power and not have the lights on. But it's so funny, I'll come into a room. So I've come out far enough that I can reach my awning legs. You just come out as far as you need. There's no wind around here right now. Now for this one, I'm probably just gonna go straight up. Let's see. And for this one, you can come here and go straight up. Now what I really do is I tend to go into that back box where I've got some other gear. I'm gonna go around the back of the van, so I'll probably leave that straight up. But if I bring this guy out further, extend my electric awning, My light switches are there. Everything, my power is all right there. I'm gonna go out until it hits tight. So I've gone too far. I'm gonna bring it back, and that's us there. And if I was worried about this breeze coming this way, I could bring this one around. And what I'm gonna do is I've loosened it off. I'm gonna drop this in here. I'm just gonna make sure that clip goes down, and I'm gonna put that out so it looks even. And I'll probably even hang a towel here because this is one that I don't want to walk around, but I know at least it's secure and won't fly away. So lights on. Are you going to show the inverter here? We will turn the lights on for these guys inside here. And we're just going to go in and see what Maud has to do inside there. There you go. So the AC's power. We've turned on the inverter. How do you like storing the coffee machine up on top? Yeah. Hi. So 6 minutes from arrival to coffee. She knows how to make me happy. We've set up here under the awning. Come and look at us up there at the Sunshine Coast.